True lies, scandals, candid, provocative, controversial, sensational, thought-provoking, and unapologetic. Judge denies Jay-Z's demand to dismiss alleged rape case against 13-year-old girl. Shortly after I posted my last video to tell you that the sexual assault case against the rapper Jay-Z may move ahead in the court system, I got hit with a new update on the case. So here we go again. In the headlines today, December 26, 2024, Jay-Z gets post-Christmas call as judge denies effort to dismiss case accusing rapper and Sean Diddy Combs of assaulting a 13-year-old girl in 2000. And that's according to Deadline. The Carters cannot be happy campers at all at this moment, and the timing sucks as we are still enjoying the festive season. The judge overseeing the case, Judge Annalisa Torres, ruled earlier on today, noting the case could not be dismissed based on Jay-Z's lawyer's letter to the court demanding a dismissal. In any case, this marks another win for the woman who accuses both Jay-Z and Sean Diddy Combs, also known as Diddy, of the sexual crime that she says happened in the year 2000. She is named as Jane Doe in court documents to keep her identity secret. Judge Torres also denied Jay-Z's request to make the alleged victim's name public in court documents and also to everyone. According to CBS News, the judge rules that the woman can keep her identity unknown to the public, at least for now, since the case is in its early stages. However, she may have to reveal her identity later on if the case proceeds. On top of that, we're told Jay-Z's big shot lawyer, Alex Spiro, who represented billionaires like Elon Musk, got a scolding from the judge today. Per CBS, the judge isn't happy at what she finds to be, quote, relentless filing of combative motions containing inflammatory language and ad hominem attacks, end of quote, against the accuser's lawyer. That's Tony Busby. Spiro filed a couple of documents with the court where some of them came across as attacking both the alleged victim and Tony Busby, her lawyer. Judge Torres says Jay-Z's lawyer's action is, quote, inappropriate, a waste of judicial resources, and a tactic unlikely to benefit his client. Now, if you've been following this case, you can understand why Judge Torres made these statements. You know, this case has gripped the entire country. Everyone who's interested is paying close attention to this case to see how it will unfold. And a lot of people feel that the lawyer's letter, that Spiro's letters to the court, were unusually demanding and made his client, who's Jay-Z in this case, come across as entitled or larger than the law. Honestly, it wasn't a good look. It's not a good look for Jay-Z. We didn't have to hear this from the lawyer. I mean, yeah. We get it that Jay-Z believes in his innocence and wants to protect his name and his family from the defamatory details of this lawsuit. At the same time, the court is there to oversee the process, and there's no need to rush that process by making unreasonable or even unconstitutional demands. The fact that someone is alleging something against you doesn't mean that it is true or factual. But once it enters the court system, there's a process. And perhaps if Jay-Z, can be a little bit more laid back in the sense that there's no need to, get on the offense and attack. Just let this whole thing play out, and justice will be served, as he says, and the truth and the facts can come out eventually. If he's innocent, the evidence can prove it. Why the hurry? Why try to speak ill of the accuser or her lawyer, Tony Busby? A lot of people also think Jay-Z's acting out of pocket, out of character, and suspect he may have something to hide, especially since he's in breach of the so-called hip-hop culture wall of secrecy or silence. Anyway, we don't know much about the true details of this case, and can only learn more of it if the case moves ahead. We do know that the accuser she did an interview with NBC News and admits that she had made some mistakes in recounting the details of the alleged incident, and Jay-Z's lawyer pounced on that and used that as grounds to try and have the case dismissed. But again, like you're hearing today, Judge Torres does not believe that that's grounds enough to dismiss this case of such a major proportion. The allegations are, enormous. And yes, if this is true, it is considered a heinous crime against a 13-year-old. And then if this is true justice can prevail in this case. So anyways, please see my video after this where I read through the details of the court documents filed by Jay-Z's lawyer and the lawyer of the woman accusing the rapper and Diddy of assault. Okay, guys, that's it for now. Until the next episode. Thank you for visiting. Join our other fans by subscribing today. And see you soon on True Lies Scandals.